Ditch the noise. Here are the AI tools that actually get work done. I've tried them all, and these are my top picks. As a solo business owner, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the numerous AI tools available. With Google Trends showing a 5,000% growth in AI tools queries, it's clear that many of us are looking for ways to leverage AI to boost our productivity. In this video, we'll cut through the noise and explore the top 5 AI tools that I personally use to run my solo business. From content creation to project management, these tools have been instrumental in streamlining my operations and freeing up more time for high-leverage activities. First up is Jasper, an AI-powered content creation tool that has been a game changer for my blog and social media content. With Jasper, I can generate high-quality, engaging content in a fraction of the time it would take me to write it from scratch. For example, I recently used Jasper to create a series of social media posts for a new product launch, and the results were impressive. We saw a significant increase in engagement and reach. One of the key features that sets Jasper apart is its ability to understand the tone and style of my brand and adapt its content accordingly. This has been a huge time saver, as I no longer have to spend hours crafting the perfect post. To get started with Jasper, simply sign up for a free trial, choose the type of content you want to create, and let the AI do the rest. Next is Notion, an all-in-one workspace tool that has revolutionized the way I manage my projects and tasks. With Notion, I can create customized dashboards, set reminders, and collaborate with others in real time. One of the features I love most about Notion is its flexibility. I can use it to manage everything from my daily to-do list to my long-term business strategy. For example, I recently created a Notion dashboard to track my website analytics, and it's been incredibly helpful in identifying areas for improvement. To get started with Notion, simply sign up for a free account, choose a template, and start building your dashboard. From there, you can customize it to fit your needs and start using it to streamline your workflow. Another essential AI tool in my arsenal is Grammarly, a writing assistant that helps me refine my content and ensure it's error-free. With Grammarly, I can check my grammar, spelling, and punctuation in real time, and even get suggestions for improving my writing style. One of the features I appreciate most about Grammarly is its ability to adapt to my writing style and tone, so I don't have to worry about it changing my voice. For example, I recently used Grammarly to edit a blog post, and it picked up on a number of errors that I had missed. To get started with Grammarly, simply sign up for a free account, download the browser extension, and start using it to refine your writing. Fourth on my list is Descript, an AI-powered audio editing tool that has made it easy for me to create high-quality podcasts and audiobooks. With Descript, I can record, edit, and publish my audio content in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional editing software. One of the features I love most about Descript is its automatic transcription feature, which allows me to quickly and easily transcribe my audio files. For example, I recently used Descript to create a podcast episode, and the transcription feature saved me hours of time. To get started with Descript, simply sign up for a free trial, record your audio, and let the AI do the rest. Last but not least is Zapier, an automation tool that has helped me streamline my workflow and connect my different AI tools. With Zapier, I can create customized workflows that automate tasks such as data entry, email marketing, and social media management. One of the features I appreciate most about Zapier is its ability to integrate with a wide range of AI tools, including Jasper, Notion, and Grammarly. For example, I recently created a Zapier workflow that automates my social media posting, so I can focus on higher leverage activities. To get started with Zapier, simply sign up for a free account, choose the tools you want to connect, and start building your workflow. In addition to these 5 essential AI tools, I also want to mention a few honorable mentions that are worth considering. These include 11 Labs, a powerful AI tool for generating audio and video content, and Muff, an AI-powered video editing tool that makes it easy to create high-quality videos. While these tools may not be as widely used as some of the others on my list, they are definitely worth exploring if you're looking to take your content creation to the next level. For example, I recently used 11 Labs to generate a video script, and the results were impressive. The script was well-written, engaging, and save me hours of time. To get started with 11 Labs or Muff, simply sign up for a free trial. Choose the type of content you want to create and let the AI do the rest. As you can see, these 5 AI tools have been instrumental in streamlining my solo business operations and freeing up more time for high-leverage activities. By leveraging the power of AI, I've been able to create high-quality content, manage my projects and tasks more efficiently, and automate many of my workflows. If you're looking to do the same, I highly recommend exploring these tools and seeing how they can help you achieve your business goals. Remember, the key to getting the most out of these tools is to experiment, be patient, and have fun. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you in your business. One of the most common questions I get asked about AI tools is how to get started with them. The answer is simple. Start small and be consistent. Don't try to use all of these tools at once. Instead, choose 1 or 2 that resonate with you and start using them in your daily workflow. As you become more comfortable with each tool, you can start to experiment with new ones and see how they can help you achieve your business goals. For example, I started using Jasper for my blog posts and then gradually started using it for my social media content as well. By starting small and being consistent, I've been able to get the most out of these tools and achieve some amazing results. Finally, I want to talk about the future of AI tools and how they will continue to evolve and improve. As AI technology advances, we can expect to see even more powerful and sophisticated tools that can help us automate our workflows, create high-quality content, and achieve our business goals. One of the most exciting developments on the horizon is the integration of AI with other technologies, such as blockchain and the Internet of Things. This will enable us to create even more complex and sophisticated workflows and achieve some truly amazing things. For example, I've been experimenting with using AI to create personalized content for my audience, and the results have been impressive. My engagement and reach have increased significantly, and I've been able to build a much stronger connection with my audience. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about these AI tools and how to use them to boost your productivity,